Hi guys, welcome to another eTech Ideas video. Today we're going to be building Bristlebots. Very simple. Now we'll just go down here a bit and let's find our parts list here. And this is all the bits you'll need. It's super easy to make. And we'll just roll down a little bit further, and that's what you need. You need a toothbrush, a small piece of double-sided tape, and a small piece of sellotape. So that's all you need. Alright, I'll show you how these things are made now. Hi guys, what we're doing is we're building a Bristlebot. Basically the same as this. It's just a toothbrush head with a little vibrating motor on it there, and the battery there. Simple as, and it just vibrates its way around the table. So just plop that down there. Now what I do is I buy a packet of toothbrushes like that and just take out what I want. If you get the ones like this that have the ridges, you've got to cut them off first, otherwise your tape won't stick to it. It is easier to chop that off before you take the handle off. So I just grab any type of sharp knife, just like that, and just take them off. Now you wind up with something like this. They're just literally cut off, that's all they are. Then you just chop the handle off with, what did I use, a little pair of pliers. Simple as. You can just use scissors, anything like that. Now all you do is grab a bit of double-sided tape, stick it on top here, and then just flip the top off. Says me again. Crikey, it would help if I could see. Nope, but don't want to know. Yeah, it really doesn't want to know. Okay, we'll come back to that. Now, one thing I've learned is just trim the corners off it so that when it bangs into things, it doesn't collect all the dust and rubbish that's lying around. So a little bit like that, and let's have another go at getting this off. Jeepers creepers, it don't want to know, does it? I'm gonna get it, you're just gonna have to wait for me. There it is. Okay, now we're going to build a slightly different one to that one. We're going to use the bigger pager motor that we've got here. That's the 15mm body one. It's slightly more powerful. I just want to show you that one. Now, this is our smallest one we've got. Now, as you can see, they're a lot smaller than them. The counterweight is smaller and the body itself is smaller. Now this body, the black body here, is actually rubber and it will just slide off. You see it's just a sleeve. It's a sleeve basically. So it just slides on there. Now never ever pull on these wires. Never pull on them because they pull straight out of the motor and you can't put them back in once they're out. They've had it. So there's that one. We'll go back to this one. So it's got to go roughly there. flip that a little bit so it's not hooked over. They're rather fiddly little wires to get at, so don't stress. So we get that one up like that, and we just simply stick that on there. Now what you do, that goes back in the middle where it was, is a little bit of sellotape. This is my switch, and that's vibrating away and they go berserk. Now the problem you've got with these is, because, this is why I showed it to you, because it is such a small brush, it'll just shake itself to death and fall over all the time. So you don't use this motor on a small head. You can dip this in hot water and simply crush it down and push them out and see if that makes it work. Or you add what we call an outrigger. Now, we'll just turn that off. Come off there. Just like that. Now, what I've got is a paper clip, just a plain simple paper clip, and all I do is I'll do that to it. Just like that, and then I'll bend it down a bit. The height of the toothbrush, basically. Where are we going to stick it? We'll stick it under the motor, shall we? Anywhere will do. Now, just looking at the end of it there, it looks like it's a bit too steep on its bend. Sometimes it takes a bit of positioning to get that just right. About there. And that holds it together. And as you can see, it goes berserk. And that is all there is to it. Now, a lot of people are concerned that these motors, the weights will hurt people. They don't hurt young fingers at all. You can just do anything and they'll just stop. This one is all encased, so you can't actually get your fingers at it. There's nothing there to get. This one, this little black one, is a tiny little motor. You cannot get at the end of that. So don't be stressing over it. It ain't going to hurt anyone. This is our biggest one, and as you can see, I can do anything with that, and it just doesn't hurt at all. Even with the larger 3-volt coin cell, it doesn't hurt. It's currently running on the 1.5 just because they're smaller. That's the only reason. They're just a smaller battery, easy to use. They still go berserk, as you can see. Alright, cheers.